Hello, Nurse is back again. So on this video, I'm just going to talk about how to come to the UK to work as a registered nurse. So the first and foremost thing is for you to write your English exam, either the IELTS or the OET. So the IELTS is called International English Language Test, while the OET is called the Occupational English Test. And note, the OET is strictly for medical professionals like doctors, nurses, dentists, and veterinary doctors. So it's just for health professionals alone. But the IELTS, anybody of any fields can write the IELTS. So for the IELTS, you need to get a band 7. However, in your writing, you can get a 6.5. So which means that for your speaking, your reading, and your listening, you need to get a 7. While for your writing, you can get a 6.5. Then for your OET, you need to get a band 7. So for the OET, a band B, So, but for your writing, you can get a band C plus. But note, OET is not available in Nigeria at the moment. I think it is now in Ghana and other countries. But some persons said that the computer base is available in Nigeria. Yeah, so that's what some persons said. So if you want to write, if you want to do the manual one, you have to go to Ghana or maybe any other country that is available there. Yeah. So after passing your English exam, the next thing you need to do is to create an account with NMC UK, pay your £140. After paying it, then they will now send you a mail. Then after, we should now do your verification with NMC Nigeria. After the verification, after all that is done, they'll now NMC UK will now send you a mail to go ahead to book your exam via Pearson View. So after booking, you now book your CBT exam, which is the computer-based test. It has two parts, the part A and the part B. The part A is strictly calculations, while the part B is OBJ. Yeah. Then after it's 100 questions. Then for the part A is 15 questions. Out of that 15 questions, you need to get 13/15. But for the part B is 100 questions. For mental health nurses like me, because I'm a mental health nurse, yeah, you need to get about 74 to pass. Then for adult nurses, I think they need to get about 68 to pass. Then for midwives and pediatric nurses, they need to get about, is it 70 to pass? Yeah. So I think mental health has the highest cutoff mark. So when the IELTS and the CBT is done, you now start job hunting. And for me, in my opinion, I prefer the track job because it is easy to apply with. And I personally got my job through all my interviews through track. So I highly recommend them track. So if you know anybody who needs this video, is it your boyfriend? Is it